A lot of women are exhausted before they even touch their hair because they have already decided deep inside that natural hair must be difficult, time-consuming, hard to manage, or emotionally draining. Hi, my name is Rita and welcome to Natural Hair Motivation. On this channel, we talk about natural hair in a deeper, more empowering way. It is not just about products, it is about mindset, consistency, and love. A lot of women believe natural hair must be exhausting, difficult, and stressful. But what if that belief is the reason the journey feels so heavy? What if your natural hair journey is harder because you believe it has to be hard? Some of you are not struggling with your hair. You are struggling with the way you think about your hair. What I can tell you is that everything surrounding natural hair became easier for me when I stopped treating it like a problem. A lot of people begin their natural hair journey already expecting it to be hard. Before they even learn their hair, before they even build a routine, they already believe the experience is supposed to be frustrating. And the reality is, many women were taught this from childhood. Some of us grew up constantly hearing things like, natural hair is too much work. Your hair is difficult. You need to tame your hair. Your hair is unmanageable. Your hair needs to be controlled. When you hear things like that over and over again, eventually you start believing them. And when you believe your hair is difficult, you approach it with frustration instead of patience. Now wash day already feels stressful before it even begins. You touch your hair with irritation instead of care. You expect disappointment. You expect struggle. You expect your hair to misbehave. And sometimes the mental struggle becomes heavier than the actual hair care itself. I think many women do not realize how much their beliefs affect their experience. Because when you constantly think, my hair is too hard, my hair takes forever, my hair is impossible, your routine starts feeling heavier and heavier emotionally. But your hair is not automatically difficult just because it is natural. Sometimes it is the fear, the frustration, the pressure, and the negativity surrounding the hair that makes the journey exhausting. And that leads into another thing that makes the natural hair journey so draining: perfectionism. A lot of women are exhausted because they are chasing perfection instead of consistency. Every twist out has to look perfect. Every wash and go has to look flawless. Every curl has to be defined. Every style has to look social media ready. And if it does not, they feel discouraged immediately. Some people constantly restart their routines every few weeks because they think they are doing something wrong. Some obsess over length checks constantly. Some compare their curls to influencers online all day. Some keep buying more and more products hoping one product will finally make their hair perfect. But let's not forget, perfectionism creates stress. And stress makes the journey feel heavier than it needs to be. Your hair does not need perfection to thrive. It needs consistency. That is what truly changes hair over time. Not obsessing, not constantly changing routines, not trying to force your hair to look flawless every single day. Consistency matters more. Simplicity helps consistency. I think many people overcomplicate natural hair care because they think complicated means better, but simple routines are often the routines people actually stick to long term. You do not need 20 products. You do not need to change your routine every week. You do not need to spend your entire day styling your hair. A lot of the time, your hair just needs gentle care repeated consistently. And that's it. Learn what your hair actually likes, not what social media says your hair should like, not what every influencer is promoting this month, your actual hair. Some people notice their hair does best with fewer products. Some people realize protective styles work better when they are simple and comfortable instead of overly complicated. Some people finally stop exhausting themselves once they make wash day more realistic and less overwhelming. And we need to always remember that moisture and gentle handling matter more than trying to achieve perfect looking hair every day. Focus more on healthy hair than constantly styled hair. I also think there is something beautiful about how simple many traditional hair practices used to be. Women often repeated the same techniques over and over consistently. Simple oils, simple styles, gentle handling, patience, consistency. They were not constantly switching products every few days or chasing perfection every moment. I think many of us need to return to that simplicity mentally because sometimes we are fighting our hair instead of learning from it. Some people are constantly trying to force their hair to behave differently, trying to stretch it all the time because they hate shrinkage, trying to hide their texture, trying to fix things that are actually natural, trying to make their hair become something else completely. But your hair becomes easier to care for when you stop treating it like something is wrong with it. That mindset shift changes so much emotionally because acceptance makes the journey lighter. When you stop fighting your texture constantly, you feel less frustrated. When you stop expecting your hair to behave like someone else's hair, you feel more peaceful. When you stop viewing your hair as a problem to solve, you can finally start nurturing it properly. And for things to really work for you, your routine should support your life, not consume your life. Hair should not become something that constantly stresses you out. Your routine should fit your real lifestyle. It should feel manageable, sustainable, peaceful, because the best routine is not the most complicated one. It is the one you can actually maintain peacefully. A simple routine done consistently will always take you further than any overwhelming routine you cannot maintain. And I really want people to understand this. Your natural hair journey does not have to feel heavy at all. It does not have to feel like a constant battle. You do not have to approach your hair with frustration, fear, perfectionism, or pressure every single day. Sometimes the journey becomes easier when you stop overcomplicating it. Sometimes growth happens when you simplify things. Sometimes growth happens when you simplify things, when you slow down, when you stop fighting your hair, when you stop carrying negative beliefs about your hair, and when you finally allow yourself to believe that caring for your natural hair can actually feel simple, soft, peaceful, and easy. Your natural hair journey does not have to feel like a constant struggle. You do not need to force, obsess, overcomplicate, or battle your hair every day. Sometimes growth happens when you simplify, slow down, and stop carrying so much frustration toward yourself and your hair. I hope this encourages you to love your natural hair more and to see your hair routine with new eyes and feel that you have the power to make things better for you. Remember, your hair is not a problem to fix. It is a part of you to nurture. Protect it, love it, and be consistent. You are beautiful and your hair is a reflection of that. I will see you in the next video. Take care, my beautiful ladies.